Hey everyone, and welcome to my regular YouTube channel. Before we close out with the train video on the Train Expert channel, we have a weather update right now. We got a wind advisory in effect for 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 northwestern Pennsylvania and northeast Ohio until from 1 through tomorrow night. It's 1 o'clock. It's in effect until 1 o'clock, from 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon through 7 o'clock tomorrow night. And then it said winds by tomorrow could be gust around 55 miles per hour, and regular winds should be around 20 to 30 miles per hour. So that'll be more interesting to hear what they said on there. So again, quick update again. Again, there's a winter weather advisory in effect for northwestern Pennsylvania and northeast Ohio until from 1 o'clock tomorrow until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. According to the weather channel. And they're saying the weather's saying for tonight was periods of rain. Maybe a surprise here. Might have a rumble of thunder by tonight. Yeah. With that wind here, might surprise. We might get a rumble of thunder tonight, as well as the daylight hours tomorrow. So I don't know how am I gonna close my curtains over that Christmas tree I got. I just put that tree up yesterday, and then I didn't know it was supposed to rain. It said it's supposed to rain, especially around overnight, like late in the evening into tomorrow. But like I said, don't be surprised, or might have a chance of a thunderstorm overnight. And same way for tomorrow, because tonight's supposed to be down in the 40s, and then tomorrow there's supposed to be a temperature change tomorrow. It's supposed to be high supposed to be in the 60s, and then lows and temperatures are supposed to drop tomorrow afternoon, because tomorrow night is supposed to call for a few snow showers, probably around the evening. That's what they said on there. So, weather after weather. Alright, I'm going to get off and just letting you know we got a wind advisory in effect for northwestern Pennsylvania and northeast Ohio from 1 o'clock p.m. tomorrow until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. So I'm going to get off, and thanks for joining us on the regular YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you guys, and I'll see you in a couple minutes to close out with the Train Expert channel. Talk to you later. Talk to you in a little bit.